Hi there, how are you? My name's Simon. I'm going to show you today how to play Harvest Moon, one of my absolute favourite acoustic guitar songs. It's in drop D, so you'll need to tune your guitar as per normal, except the low string will need to be D, which is a tone lower than E, so your little clip-on tuner or whatever should help you out. If you're still struggling, just hit the other D string, the fourth string, play a harmonic, and they should sound the same. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to start off by hitting the low D string. Our third finger is on the 11th fret of the G string, and our second finger, as you can see there, is on the 10th fret of the B string. There's F sharp and A, so we're just playing a D major here. And then with an E in there as well. So the chord we're going to play, we're going to go, so 1 and 2 and 3. So with our right hand, we're basically hitting that thing, going down, little finger is going to go onto B, bass, down, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then our first finger goes here on C sharp, and we're going to go up, up, up. So far we've got okay. If it helps you at any time, just pause the video and you'll be able to see you'll be able to just have pause, do the bit that we're doing, and then come back to the video. So we've got up, down, up. Okay, so bass, down, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That is the first riff. Now, I'm not really sure if it happens in the song, but it's really, really cool if you do a rake, which is basically a like that, just putting up. With the pick, it kind of looks like, so you get quite a lot of the pick in the strings, and basically just waiting on each string as you, and just make sure that when you get to the D, the low D, that's the 1, right? So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? And 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so that is the opening riff. Then the verse starts. We've got an E minor. So because we've got this as a low D, we're going to have to put our first finger here on the 2nd fret of the D string, and now our second finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and that is an E minor 7. So we've got 1, 2, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's pretty easy. Down, down, up, 4 bars of that. Okay? Then we are going to play a little D riff, but not the same as that up there. It's going to be a D major. Now, instead of playing a regular D, we could do it a regular D, like that. But what we're going to do instead is actually we're going to put our first finger flat across those 3 strings. This is actually a D major 7 chord. And then what we're going to do is either probably put your second finger here on D, so we get this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. You're about to see why we're doing that. Take your second finger off, come up twice. So you're going to get 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, like that. 1 and. Yeah, so you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. And then our third and fourth fingers, second and third fingers are going to go here to make a D with an F sharp bass. Okay, so it's going to go. And that is up, down, up. So that whole section is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so. And that happens twice. That section repeats, you get 4 bars of E minor, another 4 bars of that riff, which is a 2-bar riff. And then we get into the bridge, which is a G. And we're going to play a G6 with our our 2 fingers at the 5th fret. So this is a G note and a D note. And so we're going to do exactly the same strumming as we just did in the verse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back up to the riff. Okay, then we're going to hit the chorus. So the chorus, the first chord is an A7 sus4, which sounds terrifying, but it's super easy. So, like that. Actually, we might play that. We're going to put our second finger and third finger there. You'll see why in a second. So we're going to do this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kind of situation that we've been doing the whole song. And the second bar, we're going to play almost every single quaver or 8th note. Look at that translation in the bar. So we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so down, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Cool. And then we're going to play an A7, like that. Same thing. Down, down, up, down, up. Now, we're going to play this cool riff. Our little finger is going to go here on F sharp underneath the chord, so like that. Like an A13 kind of sort of vibe, A6 kind of vibe. Here's the F sharp, it's the 6th note of A major. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Take it off. 1 and 2 and. So little finger off, little finger goes on D, which is an A7 sus4. And that's why we're doing it this way around. We're going na, 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 na. If you felt like doing, you know, do it any way you like. I like the room that playing with the little finger affords me. So up, down, up, and then that whole section starts again. Up, down, up, down. And now we go back up into the verse. And this is another good reason to play it this way around, because we do, and then, I know it sounds weird, right? But when we play it all together, so we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. Right, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please give me a like. Or a subscribe if you'd like to see, get notified of when my videos turn up. Click the bell. There's a new video every Saturday morning Australian time, and sometimes some during the week depending on how lessons are going. I often shoot them during my lesson. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Enjoy learning this tune. Cheers. Bye.